What do you do on a rainy day in the middle of the winter on a tree farm? Well, at Highland Hill Farm, we run into this problem all the time, so we work on equipment. But when we have all our equipment working in tip-top shape, sometimes we revert to our antique tractors that we find around the farm. This is a 1953 Massey Harris pony tractor that we're working on.
Look at that. Yep, that's it. That's the same motor. It's in that.
Want to start it up, Mike?
If you want,
Yep.
start it. Make it go. Okay.
It's got a little toolbox there. You have to take the toolbox out. We disconnect the battery.
Yeah, they all go dead. That's just the old simple way of doing it. At least there's no computers in there.
Alright, we gotta turn the gas on. Okay. Two, halfway. You ready?
Ready.
There's always something unusual going on at Highland Hill Farm, and you're more than welcome to stop up and see what's going on. We're pleased to show you around. We can do tours to show you our farm, show you what we're doing and how we're doing it, show you our equipment. When we're planting trees, you can come out and watch how we plant trees. You can watch how we harvest trees when we're digging trees. We have no secrets here at Highland Hill Farm. Our number is 215-651-8329. Thank you. Give us a call at Highland Hill Farm for your trees and shrubs. 215-651-8329. We ship from Fountainville, PA, Milan, PA, Lenoir, North Carolina, and McMinnville, Tennessee. Thank you.